Hi, hello, hello, namaste, salam alaikum, sasrikal. Welcome to my channel, and I'm going to cook today Indian food. This is called dosa and subji and chutney, and I have coriander and red chili pepper in this, and I soak some coconut because it's Scotland, very cold. We don't get fresh coconut here. So I have some dried coconut. I soak them in a hot warm water for like 10-15 minutes so they are softened. And in this bowl I have coriander, chili, and I'm going to put that in there. So I just strained all the water out and just put it in all the coconut. Now I'm going to put little bit olive to make chutney, and I'm going to put coconut milk. This is the dry powder. I mix it with the warm water and make it your own coconut milk and just put it in. And I'm just going to put some salt. For your own taste. Just a little bit of salt. I like to use pink Himalayan salt. It's very good and healthy for you. Just it's never a good measurement. It's just a one dry coconut, a handful of coriander, 2 big chili, and 10 to 12 olives, and little tiny cup of coconut milk. I'm going to make chutney. This is my chutney ready. This is so yum. You have to try it at home. This is just, if you have fresh coconut, is much better. But this is will do. So I'm going to put this on side. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I put on like half a fourth cup of water as well to make a chutney. It's depend on you how thick and how watery you want. I like thick, so I doesn't put much water. Coconut milk is good enough. I'm going to put this inside, and this is 4 medium-sized potato, boiled, cut, ready to go. And I'm just going to start my hob, and wrong one, and I have this organic coconut oil, and I'm going to use this, and I took about 1 big tablespoon, and I'm just going to put it in my pan and let it melt. It's difficult to record and cook same time with one hand. And you need for this subji to make 4 boiled potatoes, boil, cut, ready to go, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, cumin seed, half a teaspoon, no sorry, 1 big teaspoon curry leaf, 1 big bunch of, like, I don't know, it's like 20 of them, and mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then you need half a teaspoon hot curry powder and 2 small size of onions. And my oil is my oil is hot, so I'm going to put all these ingredients in there and let it pop. And the mustard seeds start popping, then you put your onion. So they are start popping. I'm going to put my onion. I'm going to fry it till the softer. I don't need to change the color, just want the softer. Half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of my curry powder. And I'm just going to put my potatoes and fry. And I'm going to put salt with your own taste, how much you like salt. So and this is ready. Now I'm going to make dosa, and that is the Indian pancake, rice pancake, and I'm going to show you how to get ready that. This is our rice butter. Made it very watery. I soaked it overnight, so it's battered for overnight soak. It doesn't have to be, you can over soak it for 2 hours well if you want, but I like it. I use fried rava and rice powder. You can buy them in any Asian shop. You can make a noodle out of them, you can make anything out of them. So I mixed them together equal part and soaked them. So I used it like a half a cup of rice powder, half a cup of fried rava, and just put them in the boil big and just put loads of water. So I put like 3 cups of water for a cup of rubber. So it's like it's like watery. Make it like a watery. And then I have pan, it's getting heat. I'm just going to spray some oil, just a normal vegetable oil. Spray it on the pan. And I'm just going to wait till to get hot. And use the Deepa. And I feel it hot. You have to be hot. And just keep putting it in. Leave it for cooking. It's very yummy with all together. Let me just start picking it from side and see if it's ready. Oh.
Just do that for like 2 minutes till everything starts
So I covered it to cook for a few moments till to start. You see all the corners are start lifting up. Then I'm just going to lift and flip that. You just see it. It's getting ready. So you just loosen up and just flip it. And this is rice pancake and dosa. And you just leave it like this for a few moments, and then you just follow by all of them. Rice pancake, aloo subji, coconut chutney, and you just, this is it, and you just put chutney in there. And you put subji in there, and you roll it, and you eat it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave the comment below. That will be big help. Thank you so much.